Super weather.
We continue with the high heat and humidity this week. Another first alert day is in place for Tuesday as we track more of the uncomfortable heat that we're seeing here today. Did not feel good stepping outside today. National Weather Service continuing to keep that extreme heat warning in place for us in southern Minnesota, northern Iowa, even across the river into Wisconsin. During this time, we'll be looking at heat index values anywhere from 100 to 110. So triple-digit heat index values are expected. One thing of note, one change here today, National Weather Service has extended this extreme heat warning until Wednesday evening. So many counties being extended from Tuesday evening to Wednesday evening. And here's a look at what's in store for this week. We continue to see highs in the 90s possible tomorrow. Triple-digit heat index values are expected. Then we look ahead to Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and even into Saturday. We are tracking those high temperatures into the mid-upper 80s, and we'll continue to see heat index values into the upper 90s and approaching the triple digits in many locations here throughout this week. Also of note, the dew points. Very tropical feeling here for the region as we track dew points into the 70s throughout much of the week ahead, expecting to see that uncomfortable conditions to just continue. You notice when you step outside, it just feels like a brick wall when you hit it. Just a very dense, moisture-rich air mass in place. Let's take a look at radar now as we continue to track the chance at a few thunderstorms possible. Of note here, you can see thunderstorms reaching severe criteria north of the Twin Cities metro area. South of there here, we're watching towards the Marshall region. So these storms developing closer to the Minnesota, South Dakota border. Looking impressive maybe about an hour ago. At this point, we have an area that cells are fizzling out. We'll watch that southern band to see how that does as well. But we have a very strong cap in place. So think of like a pop bottle. You shake it up. If you've got the cover on, it doesn't do anything. But if you twist that cap off, then you can get those storms to explode. So we have that cap in place, and if these thunderstorms can erode that cap, we'll see them hold together as they move further east. But at this point, we just kind of have to wait and see if these thunderstorms can break that cap at all overnight into tomorrow morning. So if it does, and storms hold together, we may see a few thunderstorms into that morning commute tomorrow. So putting on a stray thunderstorm chance for tomorrow morning. If that cap holds, will stay dry overnight and into tomorrow. So more of a conditional threat, monitoring here very closely tonight. Throughout the upcoming week, though, given how hot, how humid things will be due to daytime heating, we could be looking at some stray shower and thunderstorm chances periodically in the afternoon and evening hours this week. We're going to monitor Saturday very closely. I know we have the 4th of July happening. There's a chance we could be looking at some shower and thunderstorm activity in the morning, and then by the evening hours, maybe late night, a chance at some shower and thunderstorm chances again. So I do think we should manage kind of a dry midday and a dry evening hour. So we should be able to get those festivities, those fireworks in, but we'll monitor very closely here. So a lot to keep an eye on in the upcoming week as we track some shower and thunderstorm chances. We track the heat, we track the humidity. A lot to keep an eye on. Then we look ahead to next week. A little bit of hope there. Looks like temperature is cooling back to some seasonal values in the low 80s for us here in southern Minnesota and northern Iowa. And a reminder, that first alert day continuing tomorrow. So try and stay cool, stay hydrated. If you work outside, try and take a lot of breaks if you're able to.
Don't forget your umbrella.